Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve or learn a method to find LCM. So first of all, we will have to know what is LCM. LCM. What is LCM? LCM. Here are three words L, C, and M. L stand for least. C stand for common and M stand for multiple. Means to say least common multiple, or you can say lowest common multiple. So students, first of all we will have to know what is multiple. Before learning LCM, we will have to find what is LCM. Multiples. So multiples. Now concentrate on multiple. What are multiples? Multiples are just like tables. Means to say multiples, everything that appears in table are the multiple of that number. For example, multiple everything that appears everything that appears in a table is multiple of that number. For example, multiples of 4. Means 4, if we read the table of 4, here are 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, and so going on. Because the multiples are infinite. They are unlimited. So to find a multiple of any number, we have to multiply the number with just only. Here is the number and we have to multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. How, as per our wish, how many multiples we want to find out, we will multiply it with that 1, 2, 3, 4 like that numbers. Okay, now hope all of you clear what are multiples. Multiples are that appears in table of any number or the multiple of that number. So now we will come to our main topic. Our main topic is least common multiple. What is least common multiple? So define of least common multiple is LCM of two or more number. What is LCM? LCM of two or more numbers is the lowest of their common multiple. In other words, we can say that LCM means least common multiple of any two number. Least common multiple of any two numbers. The smallest number which is multiple of both and is completely divisible by each of the number. So we can write it here. In other words, LCM means least means uh, smallest or lowest. Common means same. Common means same. Multiple of any two numbers. The smallest number which is multiple of both. Main thing, it must be multiple of both numbers and it is completely divisible. And it is completely divisible by each of the number. For example, we are finding the LCM of 6 and 9. So, multiples of 6 are 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 the 30, 6 6 the 36, 6 7 the 42, 6 8 the 48 and so on. Now multiples of 9. 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 3 the 27, 9 4 the 36, 9 5 the 45, 9 6 the 54, 9 7 the 63, 9 8 the 72 and so on. Now what are the common between them? The least common. 6 is here but not here. 12 is here but not here. Then what is in the both common? This 18. Yay. 18 is both in the table of 6 and 19 also. So 18 is here also and here also. And the second one is 36 is also here and here. But LCM is the least. So we will take LCM as 18. This is our answer. Hope all of you clear it. Now we are going to learn the properties of LCM. What are the properties of LCM? There are main three properties of LCM. The first property is the LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. For example, find LCM of 5 and 8. First of all, we find the multiples of 5. Like 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 30, 5 7 the 35 and 5 8 the 40. Now we start the reading table of 8. Multiple of 8 are 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, 8 6 ja 48, 8 7 ja 56. So, what is common in both? The common is 40. 40 is in the table of 5 also and in the 8 also. So, LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. Now, you can see what is our property. Property says that uh, if LCM of two co-prime number is their product, the LCM of two co-prime number is their product. So here in the table of 5 and 8, if we multiply these both, what do we get? 5 8 the 40. So it satisfies this property. Now we will move to our next property, that is if a number is a factor of another number. Means to say, if a number is a factor of another number, then their LCM is the greatest number itself. Let us check how. For example, we are finding the LCM of 5 and 10. 5 and 10. So multiple of 5 are 5 and the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 for the 20, 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 30, 5 7 the 35. So multiple of 10, 10 from the 10, 10 to the 20, 10 to the 30, 10 for the 40, 10 5 the 50. 10 is common in the both. So LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. The LCM of two or more number can't be. So this one is our second property. You can see there, here we are finding 5 and 10, and the LCM is the factor of another number. Out of 5 and 10, 10 is the factor and that is our LCM. The third property, the LCM of two or more number can't be less than any one of them. Example, find LCM of 6 and 9. Already we have done it. The LCM is 18. So that 18 is not less than 6 and 9. One more LCM we will do it, like LCM of 10, 12 and 15. So first of all we find the multiples of 10. 10 1 the 10, 10 to the 20, 10 3 the 30, 10 4 the 40, 10 5 the 50. Then multiples of 12, 12 1 the 12, 12 2 the 24, 12 3 the 36, 12 4 the 48, 12 5 the 60 and 12 6 the 72. Then table of 15. 15 1 the 15, 15 2 the 30, 15 3 the 45, 15 4 the 60, 15 5 the 75, 15 6 the 90. Now you can check here, the 60 is common in all of these. So LCM is 60. Hope all of you understand it.